Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Fluent Forge. I'm Tom, and I'm truly happy you are here with me today. In today's episode, we will talk about motivation in language learning, how to stay strong, how to keep moving forward, and how to enjoy learning English, even when it feels slow. Even when it feels difficult. In this podcast, I speak slowly. I use simple words. And I repeat important ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen. You can repeat. And you can speak with me. This practice is called shadowing. You listen first. Then you repeat after me. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let us begin. Lesson 1. The word in. Soft music continues. Calm and steady. Welcome back, English learners. Repeat after me. Welcome back, English learners. Pause. Today we will learn just one small word. Only one, but it is a very powerful word. Pause. The word is in. The word in tells us that something is inside a place or space. Repeat after me. Inside a place or space. Pause. For example, I am in the room. Repeat. Pause. That means I am inside the room. Another example. She's in the car. Repeat. Pause. That means she's inside the car. Remember this. It always shows that something is inside or within something else. Repeat. Inside or within something else. Pause. More examples. In the box. In the bag. In the city. Repeat slowly with me. Pause. Hourglass not done in for time. Now let us talk about time. We also use in for long periods of time. Months. Years. Seasons. Repeat. Months. Years. Seasons. Pause. For example, I was born in July. Repeat. Pause. That means I was born during the month of July. They will travel in 2026. Repeat. Pause. That means their travel will happen during the year 2026. We also say in winter, meaning during the winter season. Repeat. In winter. Pause. Speech balloon common expressions with I in. I'm in a hurry. He's in love. She works in an office. They live in Pakistan. Repeat each sentence slowly. Pause. Brain gentle practice. Now let us practice together. I live ______. Pause. Correct answer. I live in Lahore. She is sitting _____. Pause. Correct answer. She is sitting in the kitchen. We will meet _____. Pause. Correct answer. We will meet in July. Excellent. You're doing very well. Sparkle's summary. And we use in for two main ideas. Inside a place or space. Long periods of time. Examples. In the car. In the park. In the office. In the morning. In June. In 2025. Repeat slowly with me. Pause. You are learning to use in like a native speaker. Practice again. Fully. Curry. With confidence. Water wave lesson 2. The word on. Soft music changes slightly. A steady rhythm. Welcome back, English learners. Repeat after me. Welcome back, English learners. Pause. In our last lesson we learned in. Today we learn another small but powerful word. The word on is used when something is touching a surface or resting on top of something. Repeat. Touching a surface. Pause. Examples. The book is on the table. The picture is on the wall. The cat is on the roof. Repeat slowly. Pause. Calendar on 4 days and dates. We also use on for days and dates. I will see you on Monday. Her birthday is on April 5th. We met on Christmas Day. Repeat each sentence. Pause. Repeat button common uses of on. I'm on the phone. He's on the bus. They're on TV. She's on her way. We're on a trip. Repeat calmly. Pause. Sparkle's summary. On. We use on for. Surfaces. Days and dates. Activities or states. On the table. On Monday. On the phone. Repeat again. Pause. You are improving step by step. Candle lesson 3. The word at. Soft piano begins. Gentle and reflective. Welcome back, English learners. Today we learn our final word. The word at is used for specific points, specific places, specific times, specific events. Repeat. Specific points. Pause. Roundpushpin at for places. I'm at the bus stop. She's at home. He's at school. They're at the office. Repeat slowly. Pause. Alarm clock at for time. I wake up at 6 o'clock. She studies at night. We eat lunch at noon. They sleep at midnight. Repeat calmly. Pause. Party popper at for events. I met her at a party. He was at the concert. We danced at the wedding. Repeat. Pause. Glowing star final review. In insider long time. On surface day activity. At exact point time event. Repeat. In the car. On the table. At home. Crescent moon closing. Now you know how to use in, on, and at correctly. These small words can change your English completely. Practice slowly every day. Repeat. Shadow with confidence. In the next episode, we will use in, on, and at together. In a short, calm English story. That is where your real speaking power begins. Pause. Before you leave, let us walk a little further together. Motivation is not loud. It does not shout. Real motivation whispers. It says, "Come back tomorrow." Pause. Many learners wait for confidence before they speak. But confidence is not the door. Confidence is the road. You build it by walking. Pause. Some days you will open your book and feel nothing. No excitement. No energy. This is normal. This is not failure. This is discipline quietly doing its work. Pause. Think of an old craftsman. Every morning he opens his workshop. Not because he feels inspired, but because this is who he is. Language learning becomes easy when it becomes part of your identity. Not something you force, but something you return to. Pause. You do not need long hours. You need a small ritual. The same time, the same place, the same calm effort. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That is enough. Pause. When you repeat a sentence today, your future self is listening. When you shadow a word now, your confidence tomorrow grows. Nothing is wasted. Pause. Let me say this clearly. Your accent is not a problem. Your speed is not a problem. Your mistakes are not a problem. Stopping is the only problem. And you are not stopping. You are here. Pause. Every great speaker you admire was once silent. Every fluent voice was once uncertain. The difference is not talent. The difference is time and patience. Pause. So when learning feels heavy, do not push harder. Slow down. Breathe. Return to listening. Let English wash over you like music. Pause. Tonight or tomorrow morning, come back. Listen again. Repeat again. Not to be perfect, but to be present. Pause. You are building something quiet. One day people will hear your English and think it sounds natural. They will not see the days when you felt tired. But those days are the foundation. Pause. So keep going. Not fast. Not hard. But steady. Like history. Like time. Like someone who knows this journey is worth it. Pause. I'll be here with you. One episode at a time. Soft music fades slowly.